Hello, I'm going to try to show you how to play the instrumental part for Walk Across Texas using the notation system which I've handed out. So first of all, let's just agree on the strings and frets of the ukulele. So starting at the top, played open, in other words without any fingering, that's a G, and then we go C, then we go E, and we go A. So each of those four strings is represented in the diagram I'll show you in a minute, and we're going to play a little bit at a time. So we're going to start on the E string on the 3rd fret, and we're going to first of all just do the first 3 notes. Okay, so we play the E string with the 3rd fret, and then we play the E string twice open. So let's just see how that's represented on the notation. Okay. So each block represents a note that we're going to play, and so the first diagram, the strings are shown as being G, C, E and A. So the very first note is on the E string on the 3rd fret. So the blob represents which fret. If there's no fret at all, then the blob appears above the string, which we play open or without any fingering. So the first 3 notes we see are on the E string, the 3rd fret, then the E string played open, and again the E string played open. Let's just do that. E string, oh, it doesn't matter which finger you use at all. So E string 3rd fret. Okay, and it will help you a lot if you can do the 3 counts while you're doing that. So go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You may find it easier to do that very slowly to begin with. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, if you look at the diagram, the next 3 notes are pretty much the reverse of that. It goes, so it goes, the whole thing goes, okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So practice that for a bit and then we'll move on to the next one. So now we'll play the next 4 notes. Okay, so we've done the da, 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 oh, the other way around. Sorry. We've gone da, 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 da. Okay, so now we're going to do the next 4 notes, which again, it's the same note we've just played, E string 3rd fret. And then we're going to go to the C string 2nd fret and play that 3 times. C string 2nd fret. So the same note, E on the 3rd fret, then the C string 2nd fret, like this. Okay, so doing that phrase. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, so the whole thing, if you play that whole phrase, it's like the first line of the chorus. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, so practice that whole thing. Okay, you can even sing along. Waltz across Texas with you by my side. Okay, practice that and then we'll move on to the second line.